my channel. My name is Paola. In case that you're new here, I make videos that are beauty, fashion, and lifestyle related. And I recently experimented with vlogs, so if you haven't checked that out, I'll have the the link down in the description box. Anyways, so for today's video, I'm super excited because I got the BoxyLuxe, and I want to show you guys what is in my BoxyLuxe. I'm so excited for this because one, when I saw the box, I freaked out a little bit. This is my first time getting it. I know that they've had it, I think, once before, but this is the regular Boxy charm. Like, this is the size. Yes, I keep the boxes, don't judge me, but I like to wrap them and put my Christmas presents in them because they're like perfect. Anyway, and then this is the BoxyLuxe. Look at this freaking box. It's huge, especially this is the regular month. This is the BoxyLuxe. So for this month, what is in there? Oh, it says "'Tis the Sea Sun BoxyLuxe." See, it's like a little flamenco, which is perfect for Florida because it is hot as heck. Even though I have on this sweater, it's just because I'm extra, but it's hot. Actually, the past 2 days have been kind of cool. They've been in the 50s. So, all right, Florida, we're catching up with everybody else. Anyways, so this is what it is. It says tag BoxyLuxe season for a chance to be featured. Oh, I'm totally gonna do that. Follow me on Instagram, by the way. Anyway, and then it comes with a bunch of stuff like promo codes, and it kind of tells you everything that's in the box. I will come back to this in a minute. I just want to kind of get into what's actually in the box. And yes, I just have it sitting on my lap because why not? So the first thing I noticed was this little wristlet. It says Glam AF, and that's totally me because I'm Glam AF. And something is in here. Let's see. Ooh, it says Crimes of Beauty wristlet and portable charger. Ultimate bag for beauty essentials on the go. The durable and lightweight pebble full leather bag is ideal for the jet setter. That's me, at least I want to be. The trendsetter and the girl boss who's always running to her next meeting. The portable charger is compatible with iPhone and Android devices and can be recharged through any USB port so that you'll never miss an email or an Instagrammable moment again. And this this retails for $22. This is so cool. We got a portable charger in here. All right, Boxy. All right, Boxy charm. So this is how it looks. It's super cute. It's a little wristlet, and hold on, I like that new like bag smell, and this definitely has that new bag smell. And then here's a little portable charger. It says Crimes of Beauty, and it has a little charging device thing. So let me open this up. What the heck? So it like, yes. So it's like ready to go. It has a little plug thing here. I didn't realize that. I thought I had to plug in my own thing. How stinking cool is that? Yo, I'm really excited. I'm sorry, this alone, whoa, hello. This alone has like made my day, so I can't wait to get to the rest of the box. Okay, let's get to the rest of the box because I'm like, I'm freaking out already, and it's like the first thing. So the next thing that I see is this pretty vulgar, it looks like a little powder puff. Yeah, it says the Powder Room 147 matte about it. So this is like a, yeah, translucent setting powder. It says this weightless skin smoothing translucent setting powder locks your makeup into place while enhancing the look of your foundation. The soft puff applicator, oh how cool, delivers the right amount of powder, blurring and filling fine lines and minimizing the appearance of pores. This specially formulated powder absorbs excess oils and reduces shine, leaving behind a soft matte finish. So look at how pretty this is. Isn't it pretty? Oh, it's so pretty. And the detail, it has like, you know, like the gold leaf detail all around. And it comes with this super pretty like little powder puff. This is so old school, and it's pink and it's beautiful, and then all the setting powder is in here. I was trying to see if I could smell anything, but I can't smell anything because the plastic's still on. You know, duh, Paola. The powder retails for $32. Okay, so the next thing is this Spongel Blossom Bliss Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer. It says multi-use. So it's body wash and buffer. So what does this say it does? Spongel's Body Wash Infused Buffers will cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and nourish. This multi-use bufferous, dermatologist tested. Oh, buffer is dermatologist tested and formulated with extracts of yuzu, edelweiss, and vetiver. This is what it smells so nice. So it's like a little bath sponge. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like a little bath sponge, and it's infused with what is this called? It's infused with body wash. It smells good. I gotta try this out in the shower and let you guys know what I think. So let's see. The value of this is $20. Okay, so the next thing, I remember this being one of the spoilers, and I was actually super excited to try this because, you know, your girl's getting a little bit up there. I'm really not. I'm only 30, but that's a little bit up there to me because I remember thinking, oh my God, when I'm 30, I'm gonna be so old. And the truth is, I'm not old at all. So this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream for fine lines and wrinkles, Padiva, Pavonica, Rose, and Mimosa. Firms, smooths, and hydrates. So this anti-aging cream, oh my gosh, this retails for $89, guys. $89 for this. I'm going to show you the product inside. Hold on. Clinically proven to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. This is everything your skincare routine has been missing. A potent cocktail of seaweeds has been blended with ginkgo biloba, rose, and mimosa to moisturize and visibly improve fine lines. This ultimate anti-aging cream will leave your skin feeling supple, firm, and radiant. Yes, for skincare. I'm so into skincare lately. This, like, you know when something just kind of like feels and looks expensive? It does. And this is what it looks like. I can't believe this is $89 though. Actually, I can believe it because skincare is kind of expensive. Well, not all skincare, but a lot of skincare. Anyways, let me see what it smells like inside. Come on. Oh. It doesn't really have a strong smell, like, at all. It's very subtle. It reminds me of something, but I don't know what it is right now. I'm not sure, but it smells nice, and I'm definitely going to be trying this. I am slowly but surely converting my Instagram into like more of a makeup and fashion based, instead of like right now it's all over the place. It's my personal, like I have pictures of Jake, I have pictures of me, like all kind of stuff, but I'm slowly merging it into a more put together Instagram, if you will. So don't forget to follow me, and I'll probably post up reviews of all of these products on there, so stay tuned. So the next thing is going to be this Prodigy Palette by Suva Beauty, the Prodigy Palette. This says Suva Beauty's new. It feels really nice, really smooth. Suva's Beauty new Prodigy Palette is a versatile, warm, and cool tone palette featuring 6 highly pigmented shimmer and matte shadows and 2 brilliant highlighters. This is $34, and I think this is also in the regular BoxyCharm for the month. So I think this is a product that we got in both. But it feels really nice. Oh, and the colors are so pretty. They're really like nice fall colors, and you get a really nice mirror. Like a really nice mirror. I'll show you guys. This is the mirror size. Whoa. And then these are the products. It's really nice. I likes it. I likes it a lot. So I'm definitely going to be playing with this. This is like a more like pinky shimmery. It reminds me of the lip gloss I have on right now. Pinky shimmery highlight. And then this one is more gold toned. I love these colors. I especially love this. I have been dying for like this like cranberry, like deep cranberry colors. I've been living for them actually. Oh, I like to keep my plastics on my palettes. Am I the only one? If you like to do this too, leave it in the comments below. I'm interested in hearing Like, people think I'm crazy. They're like, if you use them, just go ahead and use them. And I'm like, I like to take care of my stuff. I think that comes from really not having very much growing up, like splurge stuff. So I always like to take extra good care of my stuff. Anyways, did I say this retails for $34? If I didn't, this retails for $34. Alright, let's see what's next in here. Oh my god, the next thing that I see that's kind of like a huge deal to me is this Luxe Complete Face Set Brush Set. It comes with a round top blender, tapered highlighting, pro precision taper blending, eye shading, flat definer, brow and lash spoolie, and a lip brush. This is a cruelty-free brush, but look at how gorgeous these are, and it comes like in a whole box set. This is like a great gift. I'm keeping this one for myself because it's freaking gorgeous. It's like that pinky peach color on the handles, and then like a rose gold handle itself. And they look really nice and soft, and I really love, we got we got Luxe brushes in another BoxyCharm, and I absolutely love them. They're so smooth and nice, and yeah, this whole box set retails for $65. Almost done guys, I promise. So the next thing that I see is this Grande Mascara Lash Boosting Formula. I guess it's just a mascara. This is get extreme length and volume while promoting healthier lashes with your new Grande Mascara infused with a lash-loving blend of peptides, panthenols, and natural waxes. Its buildable, water-resistant formula is easily removable to prevent lash breakage while keeping the lashes flexible and strong. This is really interesting because I always feel like I rub so hard to get mascara off of my eyes, because lately I haven't been using a whole lot of like false lashes, I haven't been using a whole lot of falsies. I've just been using mascara, like building on my mascara. But the downside to that is I scrub my lashes so hard to try to get the mascara off because I hate raccoon eyes the next day. And I feel like I pull out a lot of my own lashes. So if this does what it claims to do, I am gonna be a big fan, and I'm gonna be using it a lot. So this is what the brush looks like. Let me show you. And it's like brushed gold. The packaging is brushed gold, which is really cool. And oh, hold on, this is what it looks like. Hold on. This is what the brush looks like. And this mascara retails for $25. Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint. And this is in, which color is this? Oh, Insta Famous. Oh, I kind of want to swatch this. I kind of want to wear this, but I'm wearing something already. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like gold and like pink holographic little specks in here. It's so pretty. This one, let me see. This one is $20. And let me just show you guys. Ugh. Oh, it's so pretty. It definitely looks sheer. It's a little doe foot applicator. Let me just swatch it for you guys. It's so pretty. Oh, I really love that. You see it? It looks really holographic and pretty, and this is going to be great for the holiday season for, you know, makeup and stuff, to really look ready to go. Our very last thing. Hold on, wait a minute. It is the Violet Voss Pro Eyeshadows. Where is it? Where is it? Pro HG palette. Alright now. So this retails for $45, and it's so pretty already. I haven't even, just the packaging itself is pretty, like the box it comes in. Let me see the palette. It says hashtag my holy grail. Let's see. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is very pretty. Woo. And you get a hell of a mirror. Do you see? Hold on. Move this way. You get a hell of a mirror. It's really big. And the colors are so pretty and so up my alley. This is for sure a use every single day palette. Like, you can create so many looks from this, from everyday looks to like really glam looks. Look at how pretty. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I definitely like the fact that it says my holy grail, because I can totally see this being my holy grail. I can see myself using this. Again, here are the cranberry colors that I was telling you about that I've been obsessed with, so I'm definitely going to be using a lot of those. I live for a gold shimmer, rose gold too. Yeah, I'm living for this, and I feel I like it because even though some colors like this may look a little bit off on me, I might use it as almost like a silver color. I think it's gonna look on me. I feel like there's colors in here for everybody, you know what I mean? It feels very inclusive, and I'm all with that. So I really love this palette. I love, oh no, I just got the swatch on my palette. I'm about to beat myself up. So I paid $50 for the box, and I'm gonna show you guys my cracked screen and all, just because I am in awe of how freaking much this value was of this box. And where is it? Can you guys see it? Oh, that's not gonna work. $352. $352. What? This little plaid thing is getting on my nerves, but y'all know that. I'm super impressed. I am so happy that I was able to get off the wait list for BoxyLuxe. And hopefully in 3 months it'll be just as good. This was a really good box. I really enjoyed it. So if you don't know, you get BoxyLuxe 4 times a year. I think it's every 3 months. March, June, no, either June or July. I believe September, and then December. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure that those are the dates that we get. And yeah, I'm excited. Every other month you get your regular BoxyCharm. You're only charged the additional amount those 3 months. So, I mean, those 4 months. So, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Share me with your friends. Hopefully they can find me just as amusing as you did. And yeah, until next time, bye guys. Oh, I almost forgot. If you guys want to see swatches or looks with any of this, leave it in the comments below. Also check out my Instagram, because there are probably going to be swatches over there already and looks featuring these palettes. So, until then, bye guys.